I learned a skill in our TTT program, which is called scaling and giving feedback, which is from 0 to 5. 0 being not effective at all to 5 being excellent. So TTT program, I would go with that scale. I would rate it 5 out of 5, which is excellent. Reason being that it was very, very well structured. It had very clear concepts of how do you understand your audience, how do you plan things for your audience, how do you send a proposal to your client, and that was very effectively done. And then how to plan a session and also how to deliver. So it completed the whole cycle of a learning experience of a trainer with a complete cycle. So this actually reinforced certain areas which I was lacking in, like sequencing the flow ideas. So as a trainer, to get this training, it was a great upscaling proposal for me and understanding for me. So it helped me a lot into that area, because it was a mix of online, offline, and hence, the online was more easier to attend of most of the classes. However, when I had to deliver it, it was more physical, which actually gave me a hands-on experience of how to face the audience and to go on with them. And getting feedback on those lines really helped to look at different possibilities. So it definitely helped.